Hi, we have just been to the Pecipta'19, and there we have chosen the iSpark system, which is the integrated outdoor smart parking system. So in the planning phase, this system is to find empty parking spaces and curbing illegal parking, which are common in the city and especially during the peak hours. This system is to detect parking vacancy and illegal parking accurately in real time. So this will channel through the smartphone applications to assist drivers finding the parking, and this will also help the parking enforcers in identifying the violation conveniently. And next will be the analysis. Here, the users that involve consumers or drivers and admin or officers. So driver here is to find the empty parking spaces using the driver app, and the officer will find out the illegal parking either to tow the car or to summon the driver using the officer app. And this system will be function 24/7. This system is mainly designed for MMU university parking, but it can be implemented anywhere. And thirdly will be the design. Here the hardware they use is Arduino Uno detector, CCTV, that's all. And then the software will be the Arduino software. Pause. Okay. The implementation will be this system and then developed according to the problems that I explained just now. This system is developed in 90% detection accuracy under different weather condition. The security and the support will be the Wi-Fi should be available 24/7. Camera should be in good condition. Detection should be available 24/7 too, to detect each and every car wherever and whenever the car is there. And this application should be maintained and should be available 24/7 wherever and whenever they use. Thank you.
Hi, today we want to discuss our project in Pecipta. That we choose a project. Project name is Secure Access to Residential Area and Elevator Using Fingerprint. First thing first, the flow of the planning SDLC is a planning developed using SQLO platform to communicate between the Arduino. It is to connect between application sensor and the system database, which store register using fingerprint image in the database. The second step is analysis. We want to this project want to analyze to secure access of residential and visitor. In addition, it also to monitoring and tracking the resident and visitor to avoid issue of residential with elevator is where the kids are always press the button in the elevator. The third phase is design. This project designed using Arduino, cloud storage, and SQLIO platform. The next phase is implementation. This to allow register, visitor, and resident using biometric fingerprint. It also to give temporary access for visitor to enter the resident. It also to record log of resident using by tracking system in biometric. The fifth phase is testing. The project want to testing the speed access biometric, database mesh fingerprint in the database, and the third is optical sensor on which to easy to access the biometric. The last phase is a maintenance. Maintenance is to backup store in the cloud. It's also to identify the lift passenger during the lift breakdown, so it can monitoring, tracking the lift by maintenance, and it also can report to the maintenance department. Thank you.
Guys, today's my project is about a real-time monitoring system. The system development life cycle implemented in this system is first planning. The main thing in this project, real-time monitoring, is because of the Wi-Fi attendance using the MAC address, so that the students cannot fraud their attendance and should come to the class. Second thing they are using in the second step is designing. They use the C and WPF to allow the tool to connect to an internet Wi-Fi network automatically, so that they prove as they come to the class and mark attendance automatically. The third is analysis. Why they start the project? First, lack of monitoring, time consuming, attendance issue, and of course of confidentiality. The fourth step they use is implementation. Implement the coding to determine the location of the user, the current location of the user, to whether check the student is still on the class, or after the attendance taken, he just leave the class, or maintain the utmost security of class behaviors and environment. The fifth step is testing. The developers should test the speed of the Wi-Fi, the bandwidth of the router, and the range inside the classroom and some particular areas. Last is security and support. That means the maintenance section. The developer should have a strong Wi-Fi, because the phone needs a strong Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi will keep changing automatically, because the 4G internet and 5G internet always need a strong internet, so they keep changing into the strong internet surfaces. Then for the bigger area, they should have enough router, and they should have some backup plans. For this project, they said they have a backup plan as a facial detection. That means if the Wi-Fi is disconnected, then the lecturer can use face detector as a attendance marker. That's all from me. Thank you.